In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid congestion charges using Waze in our comprehensive 2025 guide. As cities become more densely populated, congestion charges are increasingly implemented to manage traffic flow and reduce emissions. But for many drivers, these charges can be an unexpected expense. Thankfully, Waze offers some handy tools to help you navigate around these zones and save a bit of money on your daily commutes or road trips. Let's explore how to set up Waze to avoid these charges. First things first, ensure that your Waze app is up to date for the best performance and access to all the latest features. Now, let's dive in. Start by opening the Waze app on your mobile device. Once the app is up and running, you'll want to access the settings. This is easily done by selecting the hamburger menu, which is typically found in the upper corner of the screen. It looks like three horizontal lines. Once you've tapped that, look for the settings icon, which appears as a small gear. Tap it to enter the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, let's move on to adjusting your route preferences. You're going to want to navigate to the navigation section, which will allow you to fine-tune how Waze plots your routes. Here, you'll find an option to avoid tolls and other charges. Make sure to toggle on the option labeled Avoid Toll Roads. This simple toggle ensures that when Waze is calculating your routes, it will consider paths that steer clear of charge zones. Next, it's time to plan your journey. Begin by entering your desired destination in the Waze app. Waze will work diligently to find the optimal routes that bypass congestion charge zones. This is particularly useful if you're unfamiliar with the city you're driving through, as charge zones can often be unexpected. Remember, if there's no viable alternative route that avoids the charge zones, Waze will alert you up front before you begin driving. This feature is especially helpful to avoid surprises and lets you consider whether you want to proceed with that route or if a change of plans is necessary. And that's it! With these settings, you're now better equipped to navigate through busy urban areas without the hassle and cost of congestion charges. It's always a good idea to check your route ahead of time, especially during peak hours, to ensure you stay on track and within your budget. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore other settings and features within Waze to enhance your driving experience. Safe travels and happy driving.